So this is how you can get your Trello API token. Simply open up your browser and then search for Trello API tokens. And here we are. So tap on this API introduction link. It is the very first link you will find if you search up what I told you to search up. Now, you can go ahead and tap on this link right here, https trello.com/powerups/admin. So let's go ahead and tap on that, and it will send us to this link right here. Just wait for it to load, and once it does, you will find that there's this privacy and compliance warning thing. So simply tap on I acknowledge, and then tap on continue. And so here we are, power ups and integrations. Let's go ahead and tap on new, and now you can go ahead and type whatever power up you want it to be named. As a demonstration, I put hello as my power up, and now you can go ahead and select which workspace. So I'm just gonna put the normal Trello workspace, and now you're gonna want to type in your iframe connector URL. And here we are. After we filled each and every one of these selections, you can go ahead and tap on create, and now you can edit it more over here. If you want to add an icon or whatever category it is, just simply tap on save right after. And so, onto the left, you will see that there are a few buttons, especially this API key. You're going to want to tap on that API key button, and now you can go ahead and generate a new API key. So simply tap on generate, and here it is. It is now generated, and there are actually two of them. This is your secret API, and this is your main API key. So yeah, that is how you can get your API key on Trello. You can go ahead and tap on this to copy it and then paste it whatever you want to. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.